What is up, guys? You are watching another video brought to you by Cooking Real Outdoors. Today we are doing
another cookout.
We're gonna grill our nice pork ribs, our leftover crop hay, and we're gonna go ahead and throw some beef chuck, cross-cut, rib boning, flanking. This right here, this is a nice selection of seasoning that I got right here. Fajita seasoning, season it all. Garlic, onion, the mustard, and the sea salt. Alright, I'm gonna start with this onion. I'm gonna wrap it up with foil, put some lemon, put some salt on it. It's gonna taste really good once it's done. It takes a while to finish up, so that's why this is gonna be the first thing on my list. Ain't nothing much to it. You're gonna put it right there, and you're gonna wrap it up like that. And that's pretty much it, man. That'll do right there. You just throw it on the pit. It's gonna be ready to go once it's all done. Next on my list, the ribs take longer. You wanna get these ribs already seasoned up, ready to go, so you can throw them in the pit while you're getting the other stuff getting ready to go. With this kind of stuff, you can go ahead and grab yourself some scissors. Just be careful with that liquid. That liquid's gonna run down if you're not careful with it. Go ahead and get that rib out. Lay it right there. We're gonna go ahead and marinate it. You wanna get all of it like that, all right? Don't be shy with it. You wanna get it all in there. You wanna get everything, okay? You flip it over, you wanna get it in there too. And this is so the seasoning can grab onto it, okay? Get that mustard all on there, everywhere on the sides. You wanna get it everywhere, like that. All right, we're gonna go ahead and throw some onion on it. All right, we wanna throw some garlic. And then we're gonna throw in that season it all. You wanna pretty much cover it all. Flip it over and do the same thing. I would say start with the bottom first, so all that seasoning don't get stuck to that cutting board, man. So pretty much that's how you want it, okay? Once you got it like this, you can go ahead and throw it on the pit. Go ahead, just throw that on there. Just like that. You always want to stick your probe in there so you can see what the actual temperature is, and it's like 204. I don't want to be mixing up all this food. I grab like an aluminum foil, put it like that, and then I go ahead and season whatever I got to season next. So I'm going to go ahead and season up the beef ribs. These are fairly easy. Don't take too long to season. This is pretty simple. All I do is I grab my fajita seasoning and just pretty much get it all on it. I don't like to go too ham on these because it's such a small rib that it'll overdo it. Hey guys, this is the part where I interrupt this video and get you guys to please give a like to this video, subscribe if you haven't already. 96% of my views are not even subscribed. So please guys, if you can, take that moment just right now, hit that like button and subscribe. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna share a verse with you guys today. Jeremiah 29:11 says, "For I know the thoughts that I think towards you, said the Lord, thoughts of peace and not of evil, to give you an expected end. Then shall ye call upon me, and ye shall go and pray unto me, and I will hearken unto you. And ye shall seek me and find me, where ye shall search for me with all your heart. And I will found of you, said the Lord, and I will turn away your captivity, and I will gather you from all the nations and from all the places whither I have driven you, said the Lord, and I will bring you again unto the place where I caused you to be carried away captive." So guys, if you got the chance to turn back from the things you're doing, turn back, give it all to Christ. Give all your heart to Christ, because he will take you back from the place that you got held captive with all the things that you're doing. And he will restore your faith and restore your heart, restore you, heal you. He will hear you and he will not forsake you, okay? Anyway guys, let's go back to the video. I just wanted to take this time and share that with you guys. But please, if you guys have not liked the video and subscribed, please do so. Flip it over. You can do these with salt and pepper, but man, this fajita seasoning really makes it so good, you have no idea. We'll go ahead and throw this in the grill too. All right, homie Majeez. We got another paper out. Same thing. Lay it out. That was a good sized fish right there. It's got a lot of meat. Then we got the little small fillet feet, you know, pieces, whatever. Last time I used seasoned it all. That's what I'm gonna use again because it tasted really good. But that's it right there. That's done. Let's take it to the grill. All right, guys, we're out here. We got the fish. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna throw it in here. Woo! Everything's looking real nice and good. Gonna lay that fish on it. I'm excited to eat this food once it's done. I do want to say, man, this grill right here, I really like it. The only thing about it is that it burns pellets like crazy. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and turn these ribs because it seems like they're about ready. Let me go get my pliers. You gotta be careful because these will burn up pretty quick if you're not careful with them. If you haven't had these, I really recommend them. They are delicious. Okay, they got a little bit of meat, but the flavor on these, man, can't go wrong with them. Once that rib got a good bark on it, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap it up with butcher paper and then throw it back in here, and it should be pretty much good to go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and close it up. We know what time it is. We're waiting on that meat to finish on that grill, so we gotta start cleaning.
Weary eyes know the light don't pierce down in the mine. 40 years, like 40 lives, only whistles blowing to mark the time.
Where you pushing?
Oh, hey, I was pushing them this morning.
Hey, I'm coming. Was it hot?
Yeah, it was hot. I was sweating.
Way, way down we go.
Oh, wow.
Gotta rip that soul out of the ground while we walk that long walk to the sound of hammer and steel, steel on stone. Yeah, we work those fingers to the bone. Oh, way, way down we go. Try to save my soul. Where the river flows.
You like that?
Help me bear that load. Break my back for dark black gold. With every scar etched in my hands, that's the price of the promised land.
Anyway, let's get back to them ribs. Oh, 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 oh. They're gonna burn down. Gotta get them ribs, gotta get them ribs. Gotta get them ribs out. Yes, sir. Man, they're already done to me. We'll go ahead and get those puppies out. The good thing about these are like appetizers, okay? You can have them just so the kids, the adults, or whoever, they can start smacking on these while they're waiting on the other stuff. Man, that looks so good. This fish, I gotta get the spatula on this because my tear it up trying to get it out of here. Dang. Oh yeah, that fish is ready. You don't have to turn it. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it just to speed the process, but I'm gonna show you guys something. There's a good way of knowing when it's ready. The way I do, I just touch it, and if it's not sticking onto my fingers, then it's ready. So it's getting there, okay? It's pretty much dry from here, and it's not dry over here, so it's getting there. You just gotta be a little more patient, and it'll be ready. This is pretty much ready. Honestly, it can still go on a little bit longer, but I don't really got time to wait, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do it. Put that rib right on it. Okay. And what I want to do right now is I want to pour some apple juice. Get it all on there, real nice. And this will bring that flavor out. It's gonna make it moist. And you want to just wrap it up real good. So we're just gonna let it sit in there until it's ready. I'm gonna leave this rib right here for a while, maybe another hour. It'll be good to eat after that. It's pretty much ready already. This is just to moist it up, give it moisture. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So for the sake of time, I didn't leave it too long. I could have left it more before I butcher paper so it can get a nice bark like this. But I didn't get the chance to because it's already late. But I mean, it's still good. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. All right guys, so I like to flip it around so I can get a better look at the bones. And you just cut right before a bone. So you got two bones here. I like to cut right before one of them, right before the other one. Just cut it right there. So that right there, guys, that's pretty much all the food we cooked today. You got that fish, you got the onions, got the ribs, and you got the other beef ribs. We are sitting down at the table. We got our beautiful feast. I am not gonna eat all this, but I'm gonna give it a taste. You can't go wrong with that Texas whiskey glaze sauce. It's like a barbecue sauce from HEB. You cannot go wrong with this, okay? I'm gonna put some of that right here. We're gonna pick up our rib. Right now, I can tell it is pretty tender. I mean, it's squishy. I'm gonna dip it on there. This is the first taste test with the sauce. This is so good. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Speechless.
Bro.
I'm so sweet.
Oh my God. All right. It is delicious to me. I do want to say I probably seasoned it a little too much because at the end of it, you'll get that extra salt flavor, but it's still amazing. All right, I'm gonna try the beef ribs here. They're already cold. You can't ever go wrong with this, okay? Try it. Fajita seasoning only, and your taste buds will thank you. The fish, it's a little cold, man. A little bit of lemon, like you said. This is very good, guys. You can't go wrong with this food right here. And this was what, let's say 2020 free fish, because I caught them. It's like 40 bucks right here, and you can eat for 2 to 3 days, however many people you got. I'm gonna pass it on to my wife. She's gonna take the seat right here, and she's gonna give you her opinion. So what are your first opinions on it?
It looks good. I really want to taste the ribs. It's like an explosion of flavor in your mouth. From like the seasoning to like the sauce.
Is it tender? Is it squishy and soft? Ribs right there.
It's not hard at all.
Anyway, guys, thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned how to do some ribs, some beef ribs, and some fish, and maybe some onion. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Really liked the video. I hope you guys leave a thumbs up, subscribe, ring that notification bell for another video to come soon. And God bless you guys. And again, thank you, Jesus. All right, guys. See you on the next one. Peace.